Okay, so now you have went through the tour of the recycling center. I want you to think about these 8 words: collection bins, plastic bags, shipping, trucks, sorting, safety, glass, and workers. And I want you to describe your visit to a parent or a friend. Think about the things that you saw, the things that you heard. Then what I want you to do is either add a question to your KWL or add something to the L part that you learned from our trip to the recycling center. Do that now. The next thing that we're going to do is look at the comprehension quiz and an enrichment activity. The comprehension quiz is found at a link, which is a Google form that you've been using. Let's go to that now. Lesson 3, comprehension quiz. Number 1, which is an example of reusing a material? Building a fort with cardboard boxes from a birthday gift, putting paper bags in the recycle bin, planting seeds to grow new trees. Which of these cannot be recycled? Glass, paper, styrofoam, plastic. True or false? Sorting materials for recycle keeps workers safe. True or false? Fill in the blank. We can care for the earth by saving money, water, bikes. Which of these cannot be recycled? Chip wrappers, cardboard boxes, newspapers, milk jugs. Check all the answers that apply for this question. Plastic pellets can be turned into which materials? Textiles, carpet, fleece, glass. Check all of the answers that are correct for this one as well. We can care for the earth by blank to school. Driving, flying, walking, biking. Don't forget to submit your name so that it sends me an email and all of your results. Great job with that. Okay, so the last thing that we're going to do is read another book called New Again. And I want you to pay attention to all of the different ideas. Your task will be to either create one of the projects that you see in the book or come up with an even better idea in your own imagination. Let's go now. New again. New again. We can make old things into new things. We can make a sock into a puppet. We can make a bucket into a drum. We can make 2 cans into a telephone. We can make paper into an airplane. We can make a bottle into a sprinkler. We can make a box into a fort. What can you make with old things? All right, so now I want to start brainstorming some topics for homework. Your final project is going to be to create a public service announcement. That's like a commercial or a poster or an ad that helps create awareness on pollution or water conservation or recycling. I want you to think about these questions. Do you want to help people understand pollution, like from our previous lesson? Do you want to show people how to recycle from today's lesson? I want you to go back to your KWL, think about some things that you've learned, jot some questions, look at the books that we've read, and start to brainstorm ideas for a great poster that you can create to help people understand the jobs that we can do to make our Earth much happier. You did a great job today, and I will see you for lesson 4 next time. Bye.